Hello and welcome to another update video about Natgas. So we'll do a quick outlook into the next trading week as we're heading into the weekend. Take a look at what happened throughout this trading week with Natgas. And Natgas did head into our support region down here for the B wave. Remember we talked about, oh no, I didn't want to move that. Talked about this ABC structure for a while now. I've been talking about this, that this here counts as an A wave. The move down is a B wave, and we should shortly experience a C wave to the upside. Roughly into the $4 region. I did talk about the targets in yesterday's video. Feel free to check that out. Don't really want to repeat it all in this video, running a bit out of time. But I just wanted to give you a quick outlook into the week. Into the next week. So what happened this week? This week we obviously came down, started the week with a strong gap down, which looks very impulsive. So I counted this as an A wave. Then we talked about B wave. Yeah. So in yesterday's video we looked at two options. Either B wave finished here because it did already break into our resistance area but got rejected. So it's certainly possible that this B wave finished there. And the other possibility was that we get a deeper B wave, A, B, C. I must say, this is seriously getting questioned as we're heading down quite a bit. And this would involve a larger B wave. So coming down here in A, making a large B wave. A B wave consists of A, B, C. A, B, C. Still possible, but getting unlikely at some point, and it's getting questioned now. In my opinion, it should have turned up already. So we might need to take that off the chart. It is possible, though, that this B wave, it would need to turn. So if it turns up on Monday, maybe we start with a gap to the upside, then this is still a possibility. Yeah. Why is that the case? So it would be a so-called overshooting, or in this case, actually undershooting. I don't even know if that's a word. B wave. So you can get this. You can get an A wave to the upside. You can get a B wave that goes below the beginning of the A wave, and then a C wave rally. That's still possible as long as we don't break beyond the 1.38 fib retracement, or basically the B wave, yeah, is allowed to be a maximum of 1.38, the length of the A wave. So that's possible still. So, but it's getting questioned now. So if we drop a little lower on the Monday when we start, or Sunday night, then that is we take that off. So it would need to turn up now. But either way, even in the other scenario, which involves, let me just take that off for now. If we say the B wave finished already here on the 3rd of March, then this is already the C wave coming down here, yeah? And this is then a complete pattern. Let me just, a complete pattern A, yeah? Within A, we have A, B, C, then B and C. Possible pattern, yeah? In this pattern, we could also find a low very shortly. For example, here at 235. Or if we go a little lower, 222. But we are basically in the bottoming region in both scenarios. Also, because we can start, or basically we can already identify pretty much 5 waves down. In a C wave, it would be an ending diagonal if we count it like that. So basically here a wave 1 in 3 waves. Within a C wave of an ending diagonal. 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, that's certainly a possibility that at least helps us to understand that we have enough waves down to also count this complete. It doesn't necessarily mean that it must be complete and turn up immediately. Yeah, it just means from now on we definitely need to be watching for a bottom and an upturn in a C wave. In any C wave, we need to break above 274. This is important because as long as we stay below 274, it could be this larger B wave. So those are the scenarios I'm watching at the moment. Not really any change from the last video, just a little bit more of a dip, but it means we're getting into that bottoming region a little bit further. And we see on the 1 hour chart bullish divergences, yeah, making higher highs on the indicator, but lower highs on the price chart. You see that on the MACD as well, on the 1 hour. If we go to the 4 hour chart, what do we see here? No bullish divergence yet, but let me zoom in. No, here it showed on the 4 hour at least, we haven't seen any, let's call it bullish divergences yet. They're only visible on the 1 hour chart. So it's not in that time frame yet, but it starts on the 1 hour. That's what we need to observe. Yeah, start to see these higher lows on the lower time frames. And we see on the MACD now already a reduction in negative momentum, but it's too early to say, really. It's too early to say. We need that price action on Monday to get a clue where we're heading. So we're basically now at a make or break point for the scenario of a more complex B wave. Dropping a little bit lower to 235 would basically make that much less likely. Shouldn't really extend beyond the 1.38 Fibonacci retracement of the wave A. So yeah, we're basically in support, and at the moment the expectation is we've got two scenarios, but in each of them I would expect upside from here somewhere. Yeah, as long as we hold above 222, a break below 222 will make this scenario very unlikely. At the moment I'm counting this as an A, B, C in a larger fourth wave, but we could already be on the way into a breakout. Yeah, it could also be something more bullish, a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we take it from there. One reason why I don't consider that yet, though, is the monthly MACD. On the monthly MACD, we are still in a very, very significant bear mode, and we are only just now coming down and cross below the 0 line. That's a very, very bearish signal, and we talked about, and we have been talking about that already since December. And the monthly MACD allowed us to remain very, very bearish about Natgas throughout this entire period, because when it first triggered, I made you aware that we had that bearish crossover on the monthly MACD. I think it was in December, and that we could expect another 50, 60, 70% drop in Natgas, and that also happened. Feel free to check out the videos from back then. If you find one with the indicator mentioned, then you will find that out. But either way, we did talk about that. So from that point of view, because we are still heading down with that negative momentum on the monthly, the option that we still make eventually a lower wave 5 of 2 is preferred. So relief rally and then another drop. I'm open to the idea the low could already be in, but it's not preferred at this stage. Okay, that's my update about Natgas. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.